This is number 16 of the EOC Math 3 practice test. Marcus is starting a new business selling t-shirts. His goal is to sell a total of 15,000 t-shirts during the first 6 months. He projects that the number of t-shirts he sells will increase by 20% each month. Based on this projection, which of the following is closest to the number of t-shirts Marcus needs to sell during the first month? Alright, so it doesn't give us a whole lot of information. We know that it's going to increase by 20% each month, and we know that it's going to be for 6 months. We also know that we want the closest number to 15,000. So the easiest way to probably do that is just look at our answer choices here and say 1,500, and then take that and times it by 1.2. So we're going to times by 1.2. All right, you times something by 1, you get the same number back. So 1,500 times 1 is 1,500. But we want to increase each month by 20%. So the 1.2, the 0.2 is going to make that increase by 20%. So if we have 1,500 the first month, and we increase by 20%, the second month will be 1,800. And the third month will be 2,160. And again, you take each number and multiply by 1.2. So 2,160 times 1.2 is 2,592. 2,592 times 1.2 is 3,110. And then 3,110 is times 1.2 is $3,732.48. All right, so we have month 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 months. So if we add that number up, we can figure out how much that is. So 1,500 plus 1,800. So that's about 14,894. So that's pretty close. So that's pretty good. So let's check 2,000 and see what happens when we times it by 20% each month. So 2,000 times 1.2, 2,400 plus 2,880. Plus 3,456 plus 4,147 plus 4,976. All right, so 2,000 plus 2,400 plus all of these other numbers. All right, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 months again, and each month it went up 20%, and that's a roughly 19,859. Now, we can stop here. If we multiply a bigger number, it's going to get bigger, so we know that these are even bigger than what we have here. So 14,894 shirts is the closest. So based on this projection, which of the following is the closest to the number of t-shirts he needs to sell during the first month to meet his goal? That would be 1,500.